In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT water and temperature sensor SSW5R0. This water and temperature sensor is compatible with the ADT smart home security basis and requires one 3-volt CR123A battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer or from ADT by calling 800-ADT ASAP. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery notification from the ADT Plus app. Additionally, a system issue alert will appear on your ADT Plus app dashboard. Tap the alert to view details about the issue. New battery, but still seeing a low battery warning? Make sure the battery is installed correctly. Make sure your system is disarmed. If your system is professionally monitored, put it in test mode before proceeding. This prevents the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn more about test mode. Since the battery is inside the sensor, you'll need to take the back cover off to access the battery compartment. Using the marking on the side as a guide, turn the cover to the unlocked position and lift it off the sensor. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used battery. Pro tip: clean the new battery and the metal contact points inside the sensor with an alcohol swab to remove any residue. Then, insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end pointing toward the plus sign inside the device. To close the sensor, align the cover over the sensor and turn it to the locked position. Then, return it to its mounted or surface location. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT water and temperature sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with us.